Gold. It's lured explorers, built empires, and lies hidden in the wild, waiting. But here's a question most people, even prospectors, never ask. How did that nugget actually form? Was it born in the depths of the earth, forged in fire and pressure? Or did it come later, pieced together by time, water, and weather? Today, we dive into one of geology's most debated mysteries. Are gold nuggets primary or secondary? Let's start with primary formation, also known as hypogene gold. Imagine a boiling hot cocktail of hydrothermal fluids under crushing pressure deep underground. In just the right conditions, where temperatures suddenly drop or pressure releases, pure gold can precipitate straight out of solution, forming solid, crystalline nuggets. These aren't flakes that joined later. These nuggets were born whole, forged right at the source, often inside coarse-grained quartz veins or boiling zones. Geologists have found nuggets still attached to their quartz host rock or fused with sulfides, clues that some gold nuggets were never part of a bigger vein. They are the vein. And that brings us to one side of the debate. Some researchers argue that many of the world's biggest, cleanest nuggets formed this way, hypogene and untouched since formation. Now let's talk about secondary formation, or supergene gold. This process happens much closer to the surface. Over millions of years, rain, oxygen, and acidic soils break down gold-bearing rocks, leaching microscopic particles of gold into the landscape. Then, under just the right conditions, often in iron-rich, oxidized zones, that gold reprecipitates, atom by atom, into new nuggets, reborn from the remnants of the past. These nuggets often have a spongy texture, growth rims, or are found in iron-rich gravels, a sign they formed slowly, piece by piece, in the weathering zone. And here's the kicker. Some of the biggest nuggets ever found, including Australia's famous Welcome Stranger, were discovered in shallow soil, far from any surviving reef. Coincidence or proof? So, which is it? Born in the Earth's veins or reassembled near the surface? The debate isn't settled. Some geologists claim nearly all nuggets were formed at depth, then simply weathered out. Others insist many are secondary growths, especially in ancient lateritic terrains like those in Western Australia. And then there's a third possibility. Could both be true? Could some nuggets be hypogene and others supergene, even in the same goldfield? That's the mystery, and that's what keeps prospectors coming back. If you're out there in the field, here's how to tell what kind of nugget you've found. Still attached to quartz? Likely primary, porous or rounded, near iron-rich gravels? Probably secondary, crystalline structure. Primary, growth rims under magnification? Secondary. But no matter how they formed, they all tell a story. And they all mean you're in the right place. Whether they were born deep below or reborn at the surface. Every gold nugget is a survivor. A relic of deep earth alchemy or surface chemistry, forged over eons. And if you're holding one, you're holding history. So next time you find gold in your pan, ask yourself, was this nugget born or was it made? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.